Pharma giant Lupin is expected to post a strong set of earnings today. Ekta, what to expect?
Well, you know, it's going to be a great quarter for Lupin, or it's expected to be, and that's because of one reason. The US markets. The US markets are expected to grow around even 70% this quarter, according to some analysts in rupee terms. And the reason for that is one particular drug, which is basically the diabetes drug, Glumetza generic, that they have had exclusivity on, and it ended on at the end of July. So that's going to be captured into this quarter as well. So the US markets is going to drive your entire business up, and specifically for the diabetes franchise led by Glumetza as well as Fortimed. So now what we are expecting is growth in the US markets. India should grow around 9 to 10 odd percent, and the reason for a growth of around 9 or 10% in the Indian markets is because of you know, the NLEM price changes. There was a lot of confusion in the market this quarter according to all pharma companies, so they are not going to be left out from that confusion. Separately, there was lack of clarity on FTC fixed dose combinations, whether it's happening, whether it's not happening, whether they're going to use the current inventory or not. So that will be another reason why you're going to see subdued domestic sales. Margins are going to be impacted by what's happening with the US market. So we're expecting the margins to go up to over 30 odd percent, and a profit growth which would be supported again by what takes place from the top line. So top line margins, and hence that will percolate onto the bottom line as well. Important commentary to watch out for with regards to Lupin would definitely be you know, what's happening with the Lupin plant and the 483s that they received in March of 2016. Remember, they received an establishment inspection report, and post that they did receive a tentative approval from that plant as well just a couple of weeks ago. So that'll be really important to see what the management says on it. Interesting set of numbers to watch out for, definitely.
Indeed, Ekta.